Hi, I hope we're all doing okay. Our first card is Divine Guidance, that speaks for itself. Our second angel card is Don't Stop and Be a Bit Playful. There are new things, ideas, opportunities coming our way, and it is going to help us here in the 3D world better our lives. The second archangel card is Michael, my favorite archangel, and he wants us, if we having difficulties because we're doing things alone, ask for help of like-minded people, and it will open doors that we never ever thought. Remain positive because you do see clearly now with the owl spirit. There's a lot of people very much in their comfort zones, content, happy with where they're at, but we need you can't just stop there. You need to take part in evolving, and there is going to be victory. Something's coming in, and it will give you the energy of that anything is possible. You can do things that you always wanted to do. You don't have to be stuck in any situation. There's solutions for everyone. You just have to pray, ask, and you will find out things that come to light that must happen for you in on your path. The antelope spirit is telling us that life is speeding up. Stay calm, go into prayer, go into meditation, and keep yourself aligned with God. You'll be kept stable if you do that. There's a lot of things that we've been left out in the cold with, but we are being enlightened. This heavy life is getting, we're getting rid of that, and we're going into our future with positivity, with enthusiasm, with freedom to make our own choices, and use this energy to propel you forward into a wonderful, wonderful new beginning. Thank you.